Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have this Wrangler Jeep in for a KENWOOD tablet. Let's show you what we've done. Folks, so in this Wrangler Jeep we have fitted the KENWOOD 9-inch tablet. This now has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wireless, plus a USB if you need to charge it. The USB will also play video files and music and data. This now has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. A reverse camera has been installed, so there we are. That gives him the convenience of using that feature. Something like this interests you, give us a ring. This now has a 3-year warranty, so stress-free for 3 years. And perfect bit of unit. We're based in Cardiff with B&B Audio Concepts. If you fancy something like this, we have a new demo stand with all the products on display. Why not come and see if this suits your fancy? If not, we have others. Time to enjoy life and happy motoring, folks. Speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.